You can run a powerful AI, a lot like ChatGPT, completely free and completely private, right on your own laptop. No internet, no subscription, and nothing you type ever leaves your machine. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. If you're paying $20 a month for AI, or you just don't want your private stuff sitting on someone's server, this one's for you. Let's break it down. 2 big reasons to do this. 1. Money. A local AI costs you nothing per month, forever. 2. Privacy. Your documents, your ideas, your data never get uploaded anywhere. The trade-off is honest. A model on your laptop won't be quite as sharp as the biggest paid models. But for everyday writing, summarizing, and brainstorming, it's genuinely good enough. And you don't need to be technical. 2 free apps make this easy. One called Ollama and one called LM Studio. LM Studio even gives you a friendly chat window, just like the ones you're used to. You install the app, then download a model with one click. Think of the model as the brain, and the app as the body that runs it. A good starting point is a small, efficient model, something like a 7 billion parameter model such as Mistral. It's capable, and it runs on normal hardware. What do you need? Surprisingly little. Around 8 gigabytes of memory is enough to start, and it'll even run on a regular processor, with no fancy graphics card required. If you do have a decent graphics card, it'll run several times faster. But that's a bonus, not a requirement. Once it's running, use it like any chatbot. Draft emails, summarize a document, rewrite something, or brainstorm ideas. All offline, all private, all free. It's perfect for anything sensitive: personal notes, work documents, early business ideas, the things you'd never want to paste into a public AI. The honest catch: setup takes a few minutes, and bigger, smarter models need more memory. Start small, and only size up if your machine can handle it. Quick win: download LM Studio, grab one small model, and ask it the same question you'd normally ask ChatGPT. You'll be surprised how much you can do for free and in total privacy. Free, private, and yours. If this saved you a subscription, follow AI Edge Lab. We find the AI that actually earns its place every week. See you in the next one.